My dad has a drone, and that's whenever I really got interested into drones. And then this year they put me into this class, so I was really excited about that.
We learn about the technology and everything behind the actual drone itself, and then we learn a lot about communication and how to communicate while actually playing drone soccer.
Right now we're trying to get our drone license.
It goes over weather, rules, flight zones, basically everything that you would need to know to have your private pilot's license. We're learning about the starts of aviation and planes and everything and helicopters and how all of that funnels in to drones and how we're using drones for all sorts of different things, not just sports.
Whenever we're doing our drone soccer in class, the propellers can fall off and break. So we've learned how to repair those, and then we've also learned how to make sure that the propellers are spinning the right way and how to troubleshoot it to add more lift and like thrust and everything.
It's not as similar to regular soccer as you would think. So you have two teams where you have two defenders and a striker. The striker's job is to just keep hitting and going into the goal just as many times as you can. And
you want to try to use teamwork to your advantage.
This class actually helped me communicate and just learn how to talk to people.
If I get a drone license in high school, then I can go into college for drones. I'd probably want to do it either in the military or police force.
I do really want to work with computer science, and I know there's hundreds of jobs that I can incorporate this into.
If you want to go into aviation, then it's really helpful.
It's very, very worth it. Like, it sounds cool, drone soccer, but there's so much more than just drone soccer, and I feel like people should definitely do their research and see what other things this class offers other than drone soccer.
It kind of just boosts you up in being able to do whatever career path you want.